Well, there's never a dull moment at B Street Garage here. And of course it's pouring rain, absolutely pouring. But I got a little situation on my truck. Nothing major, but of course it happened on a rainy day. And last night I could hear it gurgling, so I'm losing air. So let's see if we can get this plugged. So here's my tire monitoring system. So left rear, see, I've lost a little bit. Still at 27, but I am losing a little bit through that damn screw. So let's get this rectified. Luckily, I always carry one of these little repair kits. Every car I own, I think, has got one of these. They're about $10. A little reaming tool, the plugs, and whatever this is, the insertion tool, whatever you want to call it. Alright, let's try to do this. Damn rain. I got the plug loaded up on the side of the road here. Well, I'm home, but I'm on the side of the road. Let's try to get this screw out. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I'm certainly going to try. Oh yeah, no problem. There's the hole. I'm going to ream this out a little bit if I can. I'll have to sit you down for one sec. So I got the reamer in. I'm going to reamer this hole a little bit. And then I got my plug ready. Let's pull the reamer out and get the plug inserted. Okay, I'll need two hands to put this in. Okay, I've got this pushed in. Moment of truth. Whew. There we go. Plug is in the hole. Dang, sucks doing this in the rain. Anyway, I'll trim this up a little bit and we'll put some air in this puppy and we should be good to go. Okay. You just love the rain. Ugh. Okay, I got my little compressor running. Got my tire plugged. Let's see if I register anything on here. I don't know if the car has to roll before this registers or not. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Oh, we sucked her down to 9. So that's the time it took to get that stupid plug in. I'm blaming the rain. There she goes. She's coming up slowly. Alright. Okay. You see my tires coming up. I'm using my little, I'm just using my little plug-in portable air compressor. It is coming up slowly, but it's coming up. Okay, so now my gauge just reached 29 psi and the orange warning went away. So I was wondering how that was going to reset. I didn't know if it was if I was rolling or driving, but it did go off at 29. So I'll bring this one up to 32, just like the other back wheel, And I'm going to call this done. Nice day. Okay, here we go. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.